Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we have a beautiful box from Cut Loose.
Welcome lovelies. Fall Cut Loose, fall winter Cut Loose is in this box. The first shipment, so we are excited again. We can't help it. Cut Loose is another fabulous line that we've been carrying for a long time.
Yeah.
Long time.
Long time,
right?
yes. Yeah, a decade.
Yeah.
Happy Labor Day. Today is the holiday, so we're looking to fall. We're ready to layer.
We're ready to layer. And
Kids are going back to school tomorrow. We did the big, the little confetti shooting out of the, oh, there goes Charlie.
You scared him.
Fireworks. No, we had a lovely summer. It was beautiful.
Beautiful summer.
Yeah, wonderful. Went by way too fast.
Yeah, always.
Yeah, the older I get, the faster it's
Do
going.
you feel that?
Is that what happens, Mom?
Yes.
I know.
When I was younger than you, my father would always say to me, just mark my word, when you are a kid my age, and he would be like 60 or 70, it goes 10 times as fast. And I would think, oh God, what are you talking about? But it's true. It's really true. It's like blink of an eye.
Yeah.
We are summer people. You are a summer person. But we also like the fall because we love the dressing and the layering and the
Absolutely.
sweaters
Yeah.
and the jackets.
So this, I think in this box, you ladies are going to be excited. We've curated a great collection to mix and match, which is always
Yes.
wonderful. And as you
Yes.
know, ladies, we always stand behind less is more. So you have
Yeah.
those key pieces and then we build around it. So there's a couple of key pieces in here that you're going to love. Me and Lousje will be here tomorrow and we're going to style them up for you too, so that you can see them in many different ways. But it is sweater weather.
Sweater
And we have beautiful sweaters on.
And we have gorgeous sweaters on. I have the Marilla Loan, the layered stitch.
So
what we
is it
call
you
the
can't wear
layer.
white after Labor Day?
Well, that's the old-fashioned saying,
So
right?
today's the last day.
So
Is that why you
ridiculous.
have white
Okay,
on?
this is my last hurrah with my white sweater. It's going in the closet
No.
until next summer. No, it's nonsense.
We're gonna have a nice long summer.
Yeah. Oh my
Right?
gosh.
We're gonna go into
There's many.
October.
Yeah, and we've had some hot days in September. Remember?
Yes.
So-
It's nice. It's nice, ladies. I'm loving this.
Yeah.
Got a little sandal on and got the skirt and
This
little...
is your type of dress.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I'm in heaven. So, ladies, I have the chocolate brown, believe it or not, in the Polo
it?
Tricot. Yeah, look at
Oh,
the deep chocolate.
espresso
It's
color. Yeah,
beautiful.
gorgeous.
And then
It's
also
funny.
Polo Tricot. Yeah.
Is this a linen cotton? It feels like a linen.
I think
blend.
it's 100% cotton.
Really.
Yeah, 70% cotton, 25 poly.
Oh, that's nice.
And,
that will.
oh my goodness, I can't read.
She still doesn't have.
And 5% of something.
Well, that must be lycra.
Okay. So, and then
Ziska, gorgeous
long,
color.
beautiful.
And color, gorgeous.
Yeah,
And
it feels great.
hello.
And I know, and your turn.
Liverpool
jeans.
Oh my goodness.
Those are your fit.
Oh yeah, they
I
are my
love
fit.
those.
I love them, and they're so soft and pre-washed and unfinished hand, which I love.
And sorry, but this week we do have a new drop for Liverpool that
Oh,
we have, I
yes.
believe, some barrel jeans coming back that sold out really quick.
Yeah,
That's another style too that's good
Yeah.
on you. You should style them up and show the
I
ladies.
will. I can't wait. I really, I'm looking forward to it. And then of course this beautiful sweater, right? Marilla Loan.
Yeah, the asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical. A little c'est moi tank top, and this beauty from Marie Chignon. Oh my God, Tessa, this is
Anne-Marie,
gorgeous.
yeah, beautiful.
Anne-Marie.
It's so exquisite.
I can't stop looking at all the different beads, and what I love about it too, it's a nice elastic, so it doesn't tighten around your arm. And I have Ziska, of course, and a beautiful scarf from
Chemi. That's the navy and white.
Navy. Yeah, look
It's
how
beautiful.
gorgeous.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Okay, let's
All right,
start.
ladies, let's go because there's a big box here to go, and I know you're all so excited.
We
love
have
the
lots of work
unboxings.
to do.
It's like Christmas. So let me see what we got here. Well, we have
Yay!
the striped.
The famous Cut Loose is famous for these stripes.
Yes, this
In
is
many other side, this is their fabric.
yeah, this is called kelp.
Kelp, like seaweed.
Seaweed, yeah, beautiful. So this is a little bit of a different style we're bringing this season, ladies. It's a little boxier than the boat neck, and it's got the bottom rim, which we're loving.
So this is, I shouldn't be upset with you because I can't read this either. Oh my goodness, this is
Linen
terrible.
and cotton. Should be linen and cotton. I know they wash everything, right? So 70% cotton, 30% linen. So they pre-wash all the garments and dye them, so which is great because then you know that it's already pre-washed.
Look, even on
Even
these
with
jeans.
the jeans, beautiful.
My
What a great
gosh.
color that is. That's like, so we did 2 colors. As you know, we try to do 2 or 3 colors. They always carry so many colors and it's really difficult.
It's so difficult.
But because we're a small box store and we only have so much room, we always tend to pick 2 or 3 colors. But this is the second color, and this is a lentil. And I thought of Lousje when I was doing the buying.
You're
and
always
I thought,
thinking
I know
of
they're
your mother.
both,
That's very kind.
both earthy tones, but they're great. I would wear the kelp,
The kelp,
and you would wear
and look at this
the
too on
lentil.
jeans.
Gorgeous. That's gonna be like the go-to top.
So these are sized extra small to
Extra large. Yeah.
And what I love about it that this is like a boxy fit.
Yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah.
it fits really nice. We'll show you pictures of us having it on just so you can see. And we both are wearing an extra small in this top here.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay, so
Next.
to go with those tops, we wanted to curate a collection here that you can mix and match pieces. We're so excited about this and just make it kind of no-brainers for you. So there's tops here and now we have some bottoms. So of course, they're classic lantern pants. And this is the kelp color and this is the mini cord. So it's such a great fabric.
So I would call this corduroy. Is that a word in English?
Corduroy, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Cord just for short, right?
Yeah, cord for short.
Mini cord.
Mini cord. And it's got this traditional barrel with the seam here, right? And then they have the seam in the back, all top stitched.
Yeah.
All these little details. Nice slash pockets, nice elastic waist. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Pockets, great.
Yeah.
This is the same silhouette, ladies, the same pattern, if you will, of the linen pants that we always carry from the, look. Gorgeous. Like, we can't wait to style these up for you tomorrow. They're just awesome.
Yeah.
So we're sticking with the theme of the colors, ladies. And here is the lentil
Tessa.
pants.
Oh, Tessa.
So cool.
So cool. Like, picture this with this, and black booties.
Yeah.
And
great.
a nice wraparound scarf.
Absolutely. And such a nice transitional as the weather changes. 'Cause
Exactly.
it's, it's all natural fibers and beautiful fabrics.
Oh, I'm so excited, I can tell you.
So I'm so excited about this next item. It is like, I love this in the wintertime because then you can layer with leggings or tights.
I know what it is.
You know what it is. And it is a mini skirt.
Yeah.
And they did a really cool, thick corduroy.
Like ripcord.
Yeah. It is so cool, ladies. And this is matching the kelp. This is the kelp color. It's got a little cargo pocket here, so not too much. It's not like on both sides, which is nice.
It's nice.
It's a little more feminine. And with the little elastic.
Looky.
Yeah, I know. Imagine with black leggings, you're all set.
Oh.
And booties or flats.
Yeah.
It's such a good look. I love it.
And you know what? I tried this skirt on and it's not overly short. It's a perfect length.
Yes.
For women our age, lovelies. Because I don't want a mini skirt.
No.
And this is perfect.
Yeah.
And the other thing that I really like, of course, is they are famous for this elastic waist, right? Very forgiving, very gentle on your waist.
Nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth. And
doesn't dig in.
Just a great design.
Great design. So with doing that, we forewent the lentil, but however, we picked, as you can imagine, black. So the black will go with either the kelp or the lentil top, but it's such a basic classic to have in your wardrobe.
Totally.
There you go. Look at that. Amazing. And it's such a beautiful, it's not velvety, but it's like it's corduroy.
It's not hard because it's pre-washed, right?
Yeah.
Look at this, lovelies.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay.
All right, so with those two basic bottoms, there you go. If you're a skirt person or a pant person, ladies, I don't know. I am definitely a skirt person, as you know.
As you can see.
Lousje could go either way. All right, ladies, so let's keep going here. Now, here is a classic piece that we absolutely, I keep stalling you and you're like, hurry up, hurry up. So here, as you know, me and Lousje love our little jackets. So these are so darling and this fabric is fabulous. It is so soft and we've had it before. It's a crimped fabric. It's got a nice texture on it and it's almost like a heathered look here. So imagine that over the black skirt.
Oh
I
my,
know.
oh my, oh goodness.
And a really nice neckline. There's no collar, so it's a little different for us, but it's equally as beautiful. You can layer underneath with a little semoir if you like.
Great neckline for a necklace or a scarf.
Accessorize it up, it's beautiful.
This could go over this too, Tessa, or is this meant for the black? No,
this is the lentil color.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just did it with the black, but for the over the kelp skirt, we did the black.
Oh,
and
perfect.
it's nice to have a little black jacket too.
That's exactly.
This has a lot of stretch too, ladies. It's wonderful.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at the buttons.
I know.
Yeah, they know what they're doing, these guys. That's
do.
for sure.
And
what a great jacket.
Yeah, so wonderful. So ladies, also, we have another few pieces in here, but I just want to make a note that with Cut Loose, and as you know, we are a small box, we don't order so many in sizing, but Cut Loose is a great company to work with. And during the season, typically we can, as long as they still have the fabric in-house, they can cut and sew for us within like 3 or 4 weeks. So if anything is sold out here and you can't get your hands on it, please email us at info@lousjeandbean.ca and let the girls know, let Kate and Sarah know that you want to be on the list, and we will definitely do a reorder because the season is just starting. And these pieces I know are like, they're so good. They're such good core
Strong
pieces.
designs and
Yeah. And core pieces to have in your wardrobe for the season. So it's going to be great.
No brainer.
No brainers, as we say. So a couple more here, but I'm going to show you this cutie patootie that we couldn't not bring in. This is a little darling cardie with a waterfall open here. It's got a really nice stretch fabric. And it's kind of got little holes in it, as you can see here.
It's like a lace, a knit.
Lace cotton knit. Yeah. And we just thought it would be the perfect look at with the little...
Sculpted.
Yeah, sculpted little serging. The perfect little travel piece, or you could wear this all year, all 4 seasons, and layer over your sleeveless dresses.
It feels great.
It was such a cute piece that we needed to incorporate it in.
We couldn't resist.
No, we couldn't resist.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's lovely, yeah. So we have another piece here in 2 colors, but we're gonna keep you in suspense.
We're gonna surprise you tomorrow.
Tomorrow you'll see us wearing them, and they are in the thick cord fabric to incorporate in this whole capsule collection.
To tie it all together. But we're always keeping you on your toes, on your little toes.
Because it's one of my, well, I don't want to say it's my favorite, but it's my favorite.
It is. I think it's your favorite.
It's my
favorite. You're going to wear it.
So you'll see it tomorrow in our Style Up. You got to pick it out in the lineup, and that will be available. Well, it'll be all available online today, so you can see it all, but watch tomorrow because we're going to surprise you in the Style Up.
Okay.
But if you have any questions about sizing, please let us know. I did want to make a note about the skirt. I did try it on, and it's a size medium for me and a size extra small for Lousje. So it's just a suggestion to size up if you like it a little, not as, because you're going to put leggings under it a lot, I think. So just a little tip there. All the other pieces are fitting very true to size.
Right.
Me and Lousje are both in extra smalls.
In everything.
In everything. Of course, the pants, ladies, I wear small, and Lousje's an extra small.
The difference is I have no bum, and she's got a cute bum. That's the difference.
Oh, you're so kind. Okay, so watch out for this keeper tomorrow that's going to go with those pieces.
Yeah.
All right. Have an amazing day. Yeah. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
As always, keep on smiling.